Mabini Plaza po. Well, tara panoorin nyo. Kaway-kaway. Kaway-kaway ma'am, kaway-kaway. Naka-vlog kayo. Panoorin nyo sa TV. Hello.
Hello.
Wow, hello. Yeah, panoorin nyo sa TV. Nasa TV kayo. Ayan. Ang ganda pala ng MC dito natin. Nakatalikod pa.
And now, we will proceed to give a special award to our Princess of Mabini 2026. A surprise special award po ito. That's why hindi po naisama sa program. Okay?
Yes, alright.
Yes.
So first award, we have
To start with our first award, ito po ay ginawa namin through social media. Nag-post po tayo ng sa Facebook at kung sino po ang may pinakamaraming reaction yun po ang tatanungin natin. People's Choice Award. And this People's Choice Award goes to First Princess Alexa T. Ersabio.
palakpakan naman po. To be awarded
Awarded by
our Miss Mabini 2024 affiliate to Ohana and our respective president of Manila chapter, Sir Ronnie R. Thomas. A round of applause, please.
Matiliman doon sa parting yan. Ano ba yan?
Thank you po. And our special award, ito po ay ibibigay ni Ma'am Cesar Cervantes. Ma'am, please. Ma'am Cecil po, and Sir Kagawad Cesar Cervantes, our Miss Photogenic Award goes to First Princess Chanel P. Guerra.
Hanggang dito na lamang po ang pagbablog ko. Welcome to my channel. I'm Itong Vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye.